Hi there, this is Professor Eckhouse, and I'm going to talk about section 1.2, adding whole numbers. Much of this you probably already know, or if you want to learn about, like using base 10 blocks to add. It's a great way to learn how to understand the base 10 number system and why we use the rules that we do, but it's kind of out of the realm of what we do in this class. So you are free to go and look at the book. There's lots of videos and examples in the book. So I'm going to start with identity property of addition. So the identity property basically says when we add 0 in any order to a number, we get the number out. And I know it seems so simple, but it is a rule that we use all the time without even really thinking about it. The commutative property is also very important. So what this is saying down here is we can add a plus b, or we can add b plus a, and it doesn't matter, we'll get the same answer. So in other words, you can change the order of addition. So think about, does this apply to subtraction? No, it does not. So it's only addition. Generally, addition and subtraction follow very similar rules, but not with things like this, not with commutative property. So those are the two properties that you need to know here. Next, we need to talk about translating word phrases to math notation. So this is where people struggle with word problems. So word problems usually have very simple math in them, but people get stuck on translating from math to English, English to math, back and forth. So there's some words that you can learn that will really help you to keep track of what you're doing in word problems. So watch for these words. We've got plus. Of course, that's obvious. Sum is fairly obvious, but you need to remember that sum means you're adding. Increased by means you are adding. So these are the words that signify addition. More than means you're adding. Total of means you're adding. Added to is a little more obvious, and it means you're adding. All right, so they're asking us to translate and then simplify 25 increased by 10. So 25 increased by 10 means 25. Increased by means plus. Okay, so plus 10. So that's how you translate. That's what they're asking for. You'll see problems like this in the homework. And simplify means that you just add it and you get 35. Okay, so if you struggle with translating words to math, there is a video in this section that goes into this more deeply. And we're going to practice it a lot this semester. So add whole numbers and applications. When you see a show solution in the book, you can click on it and it will open up and show you the whole worked out solution. These are not live links in my talks, but I wanted you to see it, and so there it is. But you'll have to go to the book to click on it. But right now I'm going to show you how to do it. So find the perimeter of the patio shown. First, you want to make sure everything is in feet and you're not being tricked. Nothing is in inches or yards or anything like that. So first check that. Okay, so check that everything is in feet. Now that it is, you can make sure every side is being given to you. So this is 6, this is 4, this is 9, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 2. So there's nothing missing. We don't have to fill in any gaps, because gaps we can fill them in. We can add things up and figure out what any missing parts would be, as long as there's not too many missing parts. So you would just add it all up. So just, start in one place. We'll say 4 plus 9 plus, and I'm going to go over to 2, plus 3 plus, that was the 3, there's the 2, plus 6. Okay? So you can use a calculator, but I'll show you my way of not just going left to right, but since you can do addition in any order, I'm going to say 6 plus 2 plus 2 makes 10. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10. Let's see, I've got nothing else really makes 10s, so I'm just going to go 4 plus 9 is 13 plus another 3. So I've got 23 plus 3 is 26. I did not have a key for that, so hopefully that's right. I got 23 plus 3. That looks good. And then if you're doubting yourself, of course, you can always grab a calculator. So learning to use a calculator is part of this class, so make sure you have a real one. All right, thanks for watching.